I'm Bryce Bucher. I'm the Senior Systems Integration Manager, so I lead our systems integration and software development teams at Flexware. And my main role on the Lift team is just to provide overview and direction from a strategic standpoint.
I'm Andrea Turner. I am the development team lead for the Lift team. Essentially, I oversee all of the Lift team resources, as well as the software development lifecycle of the Lift platform itself. I am also partially responsible for the project management of all of our customer projects, as well as the management of the product.
Lift is an important product for anyone who works within either manufacturing or logistics and is interested in the movement of goods throughout a particular facility.
One of the biggest aspects of Lift is the fact that all of our mission workflows and all of the data is purely built on configuration. So really what this means is that customers are able to maximize configuration and low code to be able to implement their solutions. We also have mission configurability, not only for automated systems, but also for manual logistics operations. So you really have that integration between your people and your technology, leveraging Lift.
Our first conversations with customers typically come from one of two places. Number one, they're thinking about automation when it comes to their logistics operations, and most likely thinking about autonomous vehicles or some other automation. The second category that we typically get is they've already invested heavily in the technology. For instance, they've got an autonomous vehicle platform that they've implemented, and yet they didn't realize until after the fact that there was all of this integration that was most likely going to be required in order for that platform to be successful. So they're asking us, what can we do to really leverage this platform that we've invested in? So one of the things that Lift provides is the ability to integrate with multiple vehicle vendors. So if you have one set of vehicles that's doing one set of operations and you need a second set of vehicles to do a different set, but you still need to be able to coordinate movement between those two systems. Maybe they're in shared spaces and they're actually interacting with one another. Their native systems don't know anything about the other. So there could be safety concerns, there's logistics concerns for sure, and there needs to be some coordination. So Lift, out of the box, supports integration with multiple vehicle vendors to be able to help coordinate that movement.
All of our Lift features are encapsulated, and all of the data is encapsulated in what we call Lift missions. So these missions end up tying to your vehicle systems, they end up tying to your logistics operations, and at the heart of what Lift is doing, we are managing those missions. In order to be able to visualize all of that mission data and visualize all of your operations, we have developed a set of dashboards that can be customized to your specific implementation. And then we also have a lot of logging and analytical data that can be leveraged as well to really centralize that data of all of your logistics operations.
One of the biggest proponents of Lift is the fact that it's really designed to be a logistics framework. It is not specifically just designed to be an autonomous vehicle integration solution. All manners of movements of goods within a facility can be managed by Lift, and that includes not only the automatic movements that are being done by autonomous vehicle systems, but also any manual movements that are being done by humans. It's all configuration. When it's time to implement more vehicles, you don't have a lot of advanced programming and coding that you need to do or retraining. You basically just go make configuration changes and you're off and running.